Okay, so this is me trying to figure out how to do this whiteboard thing. I think I found what I want. Um, Now I'm just trying to get a blank guide going. So, go home, modify the text, long press on the text until it's selected. After that, you can edit the text. Okay, good. So let's do that. Get rid of that. That totally did not work. Hmm. Maybe I need to highlight. No. See, you too can learn how to do stuff. No, I don't want that. Okay, screen sharing, lock an image. Oh, this is great. Can I start a new one? Maybe that's what this is. Go to the next one. All right, so this isn't working, but it gave me an opportunity to try Screentastic, and we'll see how it goes. Bye.